Welcome back. In this video, I will be examining the Kobra S1 Combo from Anycubic. Now, Anycubic did hook me up with this printer for free to check out, but it doesn't change my review. The Kobra S1 Combo is Anycubic's first attempt at creating an enclosed Core XY style printer. It offers a build volume of 250 by 250 by 250 millimeters, a maximum advertised print speed of 600 millimeters per second. The nozzle is capable of reaching temperatures up to 320 degrees Celsius, while the heated bed can attain 120 degrees Celsius. It ships with a 0.4 millimeter brass nozzle and supports a range of nozzle sizes from 0.2 millimeters to 0.6 millimeters. The fully enclosed design facilitates the use of more challenging filaments such as ABS and ASA, even though my own tests have been limited to PLA, PETG and TPU. An integrated air filtration system with activated charcoal further enhances its usability in various environments. A standout feature of the Kobra S1 Combo is the Anycubic Ace Pro unit. This unit enables multicolor printing with up to 4 colors out of the gate and can be expanded to 8 colors with an additional Ace unit. Not only does the Ace Pro manage and store multiple color filaments, it is also the first one of its kind to actively dry filament during printing. Additionally, if you enable filament backup, it allows for the seamless transition from one partially used spool to another of the same color, thereby reducing downtime and getting rid of those half-empty spools. The Ace Pro is equipped with an RFID system to automatically recognize Anycubic brand filament and configures the corresponding type and color, with manual settings available for third-party filaments. It is important to note that when working with softer materials such as TPU, the external spool holder must be used because the soft filament can get jammed in the Ace Pro's gear system. The printer is equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and an integrated camera that offers a time-lapse function and anti-spaghetti detection. On one occasion, when a portion of a larger print became detached, the printer promptly paused and sent a notification to my phone. This enabled me to address the issue immediately, remove the excess filament and resume printing, only requiring the reprinting of the affected segment, thereby conserving both time and materials. I can confidently say that the Kobra S1 Combo delivers exceptional print quality and reliable performance. In addition to its impressive technical capabilities, the printer operates more quietly than I had imagined, making it an excellent choice for both professional and home environments. And that's a wrap on my review of the Kobra S1 Combo from Anycubic. This printer has truly impressed me with its capabilities and performance, from stunning prints to handling a variety of filaments and even drying them on the go. It is a powerhouse. If you're in the market for a reliable, versatile and feature-packed 3D printer, the Kobra S1 Combo is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.